Are you looking for fast, affordable, and reliable web hosting that doesn't break the bank? In this video, I'll be reviewing Namecheap shared hosting plans, Stellar, Stellar Plus, Stellar Business. I'll break down the features, pricing, renewal cost, and help you decide which one is best for your website. I provide a link in the description below to Namecheap, where you'll get a Namecheap discount. I've included the domain name promo code next to the link in the description that will save you money on your .com domain purchase. A little disclosure. The link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Namecheap at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome Namecheap discount. Namecheap is best known for cheap domain names, but their hosting is just as competitive. All their shared hosting plans include a free domain on select extensions, SSD storage for speed, professional email accounts, and even AI-powered tools to help you build your site quickly. Stellar Plan, free domain name on select domain extensions, host up to 3 websites, 20 GB SSD storage, 30 mailboxes, AI website builder plus AI tools. Pricing starts at $158 a month on a 2-year term, $198 a month on a 1-year term, or $488 month to month. Stellar Plus plan, free domain name on select domain extensions, unlimited websites, unmetered SSD storage, unlimited mailboxes, auto backup included, AI website builder plus AI tools. Pricing starts at $228 a month on a 2-year term, $298 a month on a 1-year term, or $688 month to month. Stellar Business Plan, free domain name on select domain extensions, unlimited websites, 50 GB SSD storage, unlimited mailboxes, auto backup and cloud storage, AI website builder plus AI tools, Immunify 360 security. Pricing starts at $448 a month on a 2-year term, $498 a month on a 1-year term, or $988 month to month. Now, one important thing to keep in mind is that these are introductory prices for your first term. When your plan renews, the price does go up. For example, Stellar renews at $91.88 a year on the 2-year term, $48.88 a year on the 1-year term. Stellar Plus renews at $130.88 on the 2-year term, $74.88 a year on the 1-year term. Stellar Business renews at $224.88 on the 2-year term, $112.88 on the 1-year term. That's pretty standard across the hosting industry, but it's good to know up front. The real value with Namecheap is the balance of low intro pricing and strong features. You're getting SSD storage, a free domain on select domain extensions, unlimited email accounts, AI tools, and in the higher plans, auto backup and advanced security with Immunify 360. You also get to choose between US, Singapore, European Union, and UK data centers, which means faster performance for your visitors depending on where your audience is located. Managing your site is super simple with Namecheap cPanel. From here, you can easily build your website using the Namecheap website builder, install WordPress, or use other CMS platforms. The dashboard is clean, beginner friendly, and everything is easy to find. No clutter, no ads in your face. And if you ever need help, Namecheap support is available 24/7. You can jump on live chat, submit a ticket, or check their helpful knowledge base. Getting assistance is fast and painless. To give you an idea of real-world performance, here's a quick speed test from a basic WordPress site I hosted with Namecheap. The site loaded on average in 1.6 seconds, not bad at all for shared hosting. If you're just testing the waters, Stellar is the most budget-friendly. For unlimited growth and backups, go with Stellar Plus. And if you want stronger security for your business, Stellar Business is worth the upgrade. Overall, Namecheap shared hosting is one of the most affordable and feature-packed hosting options available today. I'll leave a link below so you can check the latest deals and grab the right plan for you. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more web hosting reviews, and drop a comment with any questions.